Welcome to our BDIT domain channel. To know more about digital marketing strategy, do not skip and watch the full video.
As you can see that they are providing Telegram public channel or group members. For members they will provide 3k to 10k per day, and that will be 100k, and it will cost for 0.8 to $8. Telegram public group members 30k, and that will be 1 hour to 20k per day, and that will charge for 1.3 to $4. Telegram public channel members real. As you can see that they are providing also real meals and those things, so definitely this is the safe side to go with real one, right? And it will be instant and 20k per day. $1.56 they will charge for real members. And now you can see that new Telegram post views any post, and Telegram post views any post. Now you can see that they are giving us these post views as well. Let's scroll down, and you can see that Telegram like reaction views maximum 1 million. They are providing us like dislikes. Oh my god, they are providing us dislikes also. Love reaction, heart reaction, fire reaction, party popper. Can you see, this is so funny that they are giving us crying face or face vomiting. They are giving us face vomiting reaction also. So this is so funny, I think. Okay, then future post mixed positive reaction. You can see that they will give us mixed reaction, and that will be positive. They are giving us negative reaction also. You can see that we didn't see any of the services for Facebook or Instagram that negative reactions, but for Telegram they are giving all those things also, this face vomiting, guys. So okay, this is so funny, also interesting. Anyways, you can see that future post likes and dislikes they will provide us. So today we'll go with Telegram services for members. Okay, and that is Telegram public channel members real. Okay, so I will select this one. After selecting this one, they will provide a description over there, and that will be automatically they will add related with your services, right?
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see upcoming videos, and to get notification, click the bell icon.